lesson in Ganigari in Pune, we have come to the Raigarh Fort. When Shivaji Maharaj established his kingdom, he made Raigarh Fort his capital. And unlike the last time when we conquered the Daulatabad fort on foot, we're going to take the easy way out this time, the ropeway. Let's go. Yes, I confess. I'm a slave to comfort and chose technology over the daunting 1500 steps. Sorry for that, but the view felt so rewarding all the way to the top. The Raigarh city bowed at the feet of this magnificent site in Maharashtra. Built in the 17th century, Raigarh served as the capital of the newly crowned King Shivaji. And like most of the Maratha forts, it was built at a strategic site, in this case, the Sahyadri mountain range. With the decline of the Maratha power, the fort also fell to the British cannons. The British completely razed it to the ground. What remains now are just foundations of the fort. Our young guide told us to let our imagination recreate its past glory.
शिवाजी को क्या पकड़ना, मैं लूटे औरंगजेब के ताकि खामोश। मेरा पूरा यकीन है शिवाजी राजा सब कुछ करता, लेकिन औरत और फकीरों की इज्जत करता। ये देखकर औरंगजेब के सरदार हाथों में हाथ लेकर गर्दन झुकाकर उनके दरबार में।
He showed us the Rani Vas, or the palace of the queens. It has 6 chambers, with each chamber having its own plumbing. Nothing else except the base of the pillars are left of the wood-carved palace, which was once here at this spot. Leaving the Queen's chambers behind, we entered Shivaji's personal quarters. The ruins of these 3 watchtowers and the view from here is just splendid. The towers overlook an artificial tank. From here, one can also see the infamous cliff called Takmak Tok. Many convicts were executed here. Now we headed to the Royal Darbar. The gate leading to the Darbar is called Nagar Khana Darwaza. Facing this door is the replica of Shivaji's throne. I was told that this court is acoustically engineered to carry sound right from the door to the throne. And surely I put the claim to test immediately and performed a sound check. Jai Shivaji. Jai Shivaji. That was not bad. Satisfied that my voice reached the ruler, we walked down the bazaar of the fort. The symmetry and planning of the bazaar is impeccable, and Shivaji's statue overlooks the bazaar. And now we are at the Jagdishwar Mandir, where I pay my respect and repeat the acoustics test. May Lord Shiva accept my prayers. We are at the Shivaji Samadhi, the shrine of the Maratha emperor. And next to his Samadhi is buried his faithful dog, Vaghya.
छत्रपती नृपते सिंहासनाधिष्ठिता शंके शन्नु बाणभूमी गणनादानंद समासरे ज्योतिराज मुहूर्ते कीर्ते शकलेशे शार्पितिथो वापी कूपतड़ा वनेवती के स्तंभे कुंभिग्रे नरेंद्र सजने रमरमे श्री मदराय गिरो गिराम हिरोजी विषय निर्मितो यावत चंद्र दिवाकरो विलसत शासम चुंबते.
Which basically is a guarantee from the architect of this fort that says that the fort will stand tall till the moon and the sun are shining in the sky. Well, I don't know if the guarantee is still valid, but one thing is for sure, that the Maratha pride still holds true. The king of this fort still rules the hearts of the locals. So if you also feel that this fort is a national treasure, you must vote for this fort.